that. Me not depend that. Me done with that. We just try to do the realest thing in them life, and you don't know you go through some things in your life, but you keep your head up and you know say alright. Would have to go. Give me 1 second. Yeah, man. So yeah, just like how we do it with a smiling face in a private, we are doing it with a smiling face in a public, same way. No more bullshit. When I say me nah do, me nah take no bullshit. So me draw for me ancestor ring ya. Me feminine job, my mother make this. And my mother ring this. You notice which finger I depend? Me fully charged. No fake feminist movement, boy. Yeah. Real women who go through real struggles and want to do the real thing. And them forget the talk, you know. And them forget the go, you know. Wrong and strong for cut out. People who wrong and strong forget lick up and move up from boy. And don't make nobody have you suffer for the rest of your life. Because them comfortable doing it. Yeah, them see. Yeah, them see. So we do the necessary work on ourselves what we need to do to make sure so we're mental, intact, not do we head, not do we brain, not do we heart. We're functioning, active. You remember me tell you that? Them to make people who want to do the right thing get the chance to do the right thing. And stop push down people who are trying to do the right thing. Look what Queen Ifrica doing a music, and I mean not take a biggest set pan because me I tell the youth them say you don't have to turn no war, you don't have to turn no batty boy, you don't have to turn no lesbian, and you can love God and live and still wild and rebellious same way. You see me? Yeah, come go on like my message now, no space. I don't know from yesterday me I show this a message and from me coming at the business. When my father raped me, I use music as medicine. When my father raped me, I use music as medicine, man. So I say, don't ramp with me, man. Nobody from nowhere can come talk about me do them nothing. Or re-victimize them in a no way. I be a love we show people from. I be a love we show people from coming in music business. And after all the sacrifices when me make for that them people there. You want to tell me say Alicia Larson, you couldn't control the little daughter and make her work out the differences them. I want to make you reach yes sir. I want to make me have to go to tell the world what really go on. Because I see some of my little friend them and I need to come talk about passport never do or nothing. Just let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something, man. I true me know you, but me have to make you know say me see you know. And me still not afraid of none of Bumble or Claan, you know. You hear that? And the worst you know. Because me really no blood clot carry love it true. Oh, that's so. Yeah, oh, that's so. Me really no carry now. Because me see say not only in the household, but in a government and in a by extension of the country run up. Nobody no want no goodness, boy. None of you no want no goodness, boy. And no goodness you not show, boy. A wrongness you not show. Every kind of wrongness I get the biggest big up them and everybody on board with the wrongness. You know, no for no sit down on this and want you the passa, but I know so the passa go real out. This is who Queen Ifrica truly is. Someone who ignore the passa and deal with it, how it's supposed to deal with in the right and proper way. That's all we ask for. Deal with things in the right and proper way. And that they hate me for. You see me? So the wrongest thing that that never for reach their son none at all. You see me? You see me? I stop them want come stop me and my daughter. You see me? And my daughter, them say I'm my legacy and them want come turn she. You don't want me to talk everything? Every single thing? You don't want me to talk? I'm not talking. I'm not talky thing. But we have said do the right thing. Do the right thing once and for all now. Do the right thing once and for all now. Give the people a break. Give the family them a break. Make domestic resolution be a real solution-based approach to how we deal with resolving domestic issues between inside children, baby mother, wife, man we commit rape and incest. All of them something there. All of the armies that protect those type of family members forget shub out now. Yeah, that me I say. And them say dance a yard before you dance abroad. So me a dance blood clot come in and me a dance. Yeah, I see. I just want to say, man, to everyone who support me over the years in this music, they not give me no support in the music business, or no sifu, no self, you know. Me are the only woman artist in a Latina town, them and all of them female where they come in the culture. Queen Ifrica, them come through, you know. And them go on like the worst thing them we do in a music business as a woman, you know, true, me now promote sucking hood and whoredom and prostitution and degrading. A Jamaican woman are the best woman in the whole blood clot world. No woman, nowhere in the world not strong like Jamaican woman. But everybody want Jamaican woman for frustrated and turn whore and sodomite alone and would alone for down black woman throat, black Jamaican woman throat. Everybody come with a different hood every day. Want come shove down with blood clot throat and we're not supposed to talk. Yes, baby, big up yourself. We're not supposed to talk. We're not supposed to say we don't want no more hood in our throat, no blood clot more no. We want things in our brain we edify we and show we say we're virtuous as black woman. And not because remember say my father sit down on a platform and say me not act like no rape victim because rape victim figure sit down one side and that might let me tell you something, you know. Because I don't think film thing over yet. Film thing not over yet. I just see me big mouth brother them. I chat up them mouth in a social media and I do interview after interview. Derek Morgan a rapist. I want to know. We not protect no more evil boy. And suffer fi make no evil prosper boy. I want to know. Me as a black woman suffer down you fi make every other black woman know so you don't have to suffer. You can rise above that and live your truth. I want to know. I don't think, you never know, say that mean I don't fit true. I don't think of spiraling. I don't think of spiraling. I want to you. Good for stop suffer for bad now. Me a one good when I suffer for no bad boy. Yeah. But go and go rub on no time and move on no bumbo cloth and go. Because you victimize we. And we still I don't want them in the family them wherever try make the peace same way and I try make things work same way and yet still make it look like no nothing. Says who? I'm told man. I'm told man. Hi babes. Yeah man, thank you so much. Respect. The same to you. So man say we hold it for a reason. You see me? We hold it for a blood clot reason. See Jeddah pull up here. We hold it for a reason. You see me? We hold it for a reason, my lord. You see me? So me no wanna come ramp blood clot with me. You know when time we are say, Lord, we make we prosper now, my Lord. You see me? We do, they do. We do, they do. Lord, we know. See me? Yeah, man, no doubt about it, man. See, Jeddah walk I go in there. You see me? And me still forgive you, dread. You know hear what me say? Me still forgive you, dread. You see me? But enough is enough. I couldn't see where I go on in the car. I go over there with the camera. You know, Rasta no fear, no for. Hold on there, I go on. Here Ryan, what go on? Yeah, man, she in there, man.
Two of them in there?
I don't know where the money there. I don't want to know where the money there. You see me?
Why you there on the sir? Yo, Queen. Queen, just move with that thing there. Me don't want to go on your life.
You're not on my life,
No,
Mr. Rebel.
please don't panic.
You're not on my life, Mr. Rebel. You're not on my life.
This queen, I spoke about the live in this.
Just come out with the live. Go on out, that's what I'm doing with the live, sister.
I respect we are saying everything for deal with it.
We are dealing with respect, so don't care.
So just make sure I respect everything I deal with.
I don't want to deal with my life. I don't want to.
You're not on my life, Tony Rebel. I want to you. I'm not talking about do your show neither. Move your bumbo cloth and go. I want to you. Me just tell the world now to say me not on the Rebel Salute. I want to you. That done with. Go the shoes days done. Me not appear a Rebel Salute this year. That's squash. So I'll go a Rebel Salute. I won't be on that stage this year. Yeah. And humble. The dread still not humble. And come with him crew. Oh, I'm tell you. Wrong and strong days done. Wrong and strong days done. Me I support my youth them now. Me I support my youth them now. Him I support him woman and female children them. Him only come up your card alive you turn on. I won't be appearing at Rebel Salute this year. Sorry for all who book ticket for Council Queen Ifrica. But that is it for that session there. That session there over. Officially, because me say me what me say me do. Not joke no in a meeting. Oh, I'm tell you. Me not take side with the system, me take side with the people. And that them hate me for me take side with the people and burn the system. So the people are my defense from morning. Everybody can chat with them know about Queen Ifrica now. You can lead out, Mr. Rebel. All the 20 Rebel fans, they're going to full up down the same way and show the love Rebel Salute same way. Just know so the Queen now got up on it to see me because that's why we do it over the years and out of no other place but love and respect for your culture where we love and a people where we love and a family where we love. But you have to call a spade a spade. 2 years now me left Tony Rebel and 1 year after me make it public. But then in the 3rd year me still have to go through this. Me not go through that. No more. Me not care what the chip fall with me. The Dan a big man. I'm a big man in the business. Him having fans over the years. We love him and care for him. But deal with it, yeah. Your friend them. But deal with nothing. Me we go sell callaloo down a me. When time no see me I sell me callaloo them also make sure no buy a bundle. Me ain't no joke right now. You see what I say? Yeah, me ain't no joke right now. Me done with the foolishness with people. I be things them do me over the years and I hold it because I love my country. And I love my family them. You see what I say? But me nah be no victim no more for no man or nobody. You hear that? Trade. And who no like it, just bite it. And who can understand, just understand and just know. Say, I saw line draw when line a draw. That when cup full. Yeah, I see. Yeah, man. So that a that. You see me? That a that, my love. My beloved people. I will never do anything to bring down my country. Everybody a call me now, then late. I'd never do anything to bring down the island. The island mean that much to me, because enough things I got to Jamaica, I still never bow. Still never bow. I hold out for my country and hold out for everyone and everything, and I come go on like I say all the time. My Lego too no come go on like I don't want to come dictate me thing to. I want to man. I want to man. Somebody just text me and say I can't make them decision there out of anger, you know. I have to do salute. What I say, do it? If you don't say do it, do it. Because God in heaven knows me clock right out a while ago. So if you don't say do it, me do it. The devil a dance. I know the devil not go dance this year, you know. From last year, me telling you, you know. Say 23, 24.